Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can do copywriting without learning a copyright course or uh, you know, without hire a copywriter because copywriters are very expensive. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can do copywriting with just few clicks because we can do copywriting with the help of AI. And as you know, AI is rapidly growing, so AI is in every field of life. So guys, let's get started. First of all, we will go to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms in the world right now. So I write here copywriting. So as you can see, writer, SEO, copywriter, as your copywriter. So I open his gig, and you can see in basic package he charged $135 and only 300 words, and competitor research in standard $225 and write 500 words and competitor research, and in premium he charged $450 and up to 100,000 words and competitor research. So guys, you can also know 503 reviews, 2 orders in queue, Fiverr's choice, top rated. And you can also analyze his gig, but don't copy the same wording. Make your own and write it. You can also write these wording with the help of ChatGPT. Just paste it there and said ChatGPT that rewrite it. So it will do all the work for you. So guys, this is our freelancing platform part of the video, and now let's get toward our skill part. So guys, right here copy AI. It is the AI tool which create copy in seconds. So this is the best tool. You can also sign up with Google and other things. After that, I click on product, chat API security, but I click on try for free, continue with Google. Guys, wait for some second. So guys, I log in this app with the Gmail, and now I create a project, new project. So uh, it gives up options like brainstorm ideas, long form content, or real time search. So I uh, browse, click on browse prompts. I want to make a copy for email marketing and sorry, for social media, and I want to write Instagram captions. So I click on this and use this prompt. Okay. uh, I cross all this and I write here, I want to write Instagram caption for motivation. So I click on sure. Here are some Instagram caption for motivation. Dream big, work hard, stay focused. Success is not. As you can see, this tool provides us 10 best Instagram captions for motivation, and we can also copy this these by copy paste, and we can also click on this copy, and it will copy all the tags. So guys, there you can also write different things. You know, you go can go to template and you can choose the templates, and like email marketing, for social media content, for fun, website copywriting tool, general business. So you can use this tool. This is a very helpful tool for students, for your freelance career, for your own use. So I hope you like the video. That's it for today. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn this from this skill. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.